Hello everyone, welcome to this learning experience where we will attempt to use Algediscs to try and learn what are called like terms and how do we actually add or subtract like terms. So in this case, you can see that all the terms are x. The first thing to introduce to everyone would then be that x and negative x, they make what we call a zero pair. So you can see them as x minus x. You can see them as x plus negative x. They are equivalent to each other and they do give us 0. Okay? And so, tapping on this, let us then, in this case, focus on part B. So at this point, I'm going to enlarge the screen and just to focus on part B where we have 2x plus 5x, and how many x would that make us? So we will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So altogether there are 7x. Done. But things will not be so simple when we have a minus. And when we have a minus 7x, we could actually see them as adding negative 7x. And when that happens, let's use the following Algediscs to help us. Do take note that previously we have learned x and negative x, they make 0. So this one will cross out to become 0. X and negative x will make 0. So don't have anymore. X and negative x, again they will make 0. So that will leave us with 1 negative x, 2 negative 4, and negative 3 and negative 4x. So this one, from the Algediscs, we would then get the answer negative 4x. Let's move on to part C, where we will focus on negative 5x minus 11x. We could see them as, when we have a minus 11x, we could see them as adding negative 11x. And therefore, in this case, all are negative. So we just need to count negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8, negative 9, negative 10, negative 11, negative 12, negative 13, negative 14, negative 15, and negative 16. So altogether we have negative 16x. And the last example where we tap on the Algediscs to help us would be negative 10x plus 4x. And again, negative x and positive 1x, they make 0 pair. Negative x and positive x, they make 0 pair. Negative x and positive x, they make 0 pair. Negative x and positive x, they make 0 pair. And so we are left with negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, and negative 6. And this sums up the learning experience using Algediscs for this particular learning experience, where we have learned how to add or subtract like terms in an algebraic expression. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.